Thank you for choosing Chamberlain. This video will show you how to change the battery in your KLIK3U Universal Garage Door Remote model KLIK3U. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the user guide or owner's manual for complete instructions and safety information. Changing the battery in your Chamberlain Universal Garage Door Remote is easier than ever. Use the visor clip or a flathead screwdriver to open the remote control. Remove the old battery and dispose of it properly. Replace the battery using a coin cell 3-volt 2032. Make sure the plus sign on the battery is facing up. Slide the cover back onto the remote. If you would like to learn how to program your KLIK3U, click the link to watch a video. Thank you for choosing Chamberlain. Be sure to check out our other products and accessories when you visit us on the web at www.chamberlain.com.